My name is Alexis Lester.
Hello, my name is Raul Petrus Ngau.
Hello and have a nice day. My name is Rina Yuzilagu.
Hi, my name is Ayush Hazana binti Saini.
Hello, my name is Lisa Dana Anarba Entry.
Hello, I'm Alexis Lester, and today I will explain about the design of our cashier department. For counter design, we have to design it compact and small due to insufficient space. Based on our counter design, we have applied wayfinding principle. This is because the cashier signage help customers to locate the cashier counter when they want to make payment. Next, we design our shopping bag as simple as it can. This is because to minimize the cost. By using disposable and reusable shopping bag, we can preserve our environment. This bag is not free and customers have to pay for it because they are encouraged to bring their own shopping bag. So this is my normal interaction diagram. What is the goal? The goal is to pay for the item. Intention to act, to put the item on the counter. The sequence of actions. Firstly, verify the location of the store. Next, pick any item want to buy. Third, go to counter and put the item on the counter. And finally, pay for the item and leave. The execution of the action sequence. Firstly, choose the item you wish to buy. Secondly, use our own container to keep the item you want to buy. Thirdly, ask for the worker help if needed. And finally, check everything before making payment. Next, the world. Then, the perceiving the state of world. The cashier counter is easily perceived by customer because of the cashier signage. Interpreting the perception is the amount of item customers buy. And finally, evaluation of interpretation. Payment can be made after successful item selection. That's all from me. Thank you.
According to the final design, a sign of each machine could attract the attention of user because it has an element of highlighting. The colors of sign present an important role for the user to acknowledge the variety of products are sold at the shop. As we know, design is significant and the capability to amend the flow. The second principle is recognition over recall. It is about the event for recognition is better than memory for remembered things. In this final design, the user can memorize how to use the machine if they have been to the shop many times. The machine dispenser has a handle on it. The user needs to twist the handle so that a product comes out through a hole.
Visibility is also one of the universal principles of design, which is in design and usability. Visibility is the usability of a system is improved when its status and method of use are clearly visible. The dispenser has an element of visibility. When there is snacks going out from the dispenser, it shows the visibility of the status of the system. There also a visibility on how to use the dispenser. As we can see, we can use it by spinning the holder to the right. It is obvious that we need to spin it to use it because it has a turbine. Next is symmetry. The dispenser has an element of symmetry. Symmetry is in design and appeal. Symmetry is a property of visual equivalent among elements in a form. There are three basic types of symmetry, which are reflection, rotation, and translation. Reflection symmetry is mirroring of an equivalent element around a central axis or mirror line. Reflection symmetry can occur in any orientation as long as the element is the same on both sides of the mirror line. We can see that the dispenser have a reflection symmetry if we put mirror line in the middle of the dispenser. The rotation symmetry can be seen at the turbine where it has a common center. The rotation of the turbine is equivalent to around the common center. Rotation symmetry are the rotation of equivalent element around a common center. Rotation symmetry can occur at any angle or frequency as long as the elements share a common center. Next is translation symmetry. Translation symmetry is the location of equivalent elements in different areas of space. Translation symmetry can occur in any direction and over any distance as long as the basic orientation of the element is maintained. We can see translation symmetry on each of the jar on the dispenser. Each of the dispenser are equivalent in different areas of space.
For the design and decisions category, we have found out that there is a satisficing principle. This is because that we create the prototype of our dispenser that is satisfying with the minimum requirement necessary to achieve the particular goal, and there is no problem for us to understand of its function. For example, we creating the handle that can be rotate and control the amounts of our product when it's coming out from the machine. For the flexibility, usability trade-off principles, as we can see from our prototype, it is very simple to use because we're only to rotate the handle and then the product will be coming out from the dispenser. So that is mean that our prototype is not flexible because there is no other buttons or tool to make the dispenser to work, and we can say that this prototype is more to usability.
Hello, my name is Ron Petrus now. My matrix number is 73185. Today I want to present about Assam dispenser. The goal of this project is to reduce the usage of plastic for the Assam packaging at the store. And the plan is to put the Assam in the dispenser and lessen the usage of the plastic bag. Customer can come and buy with bring their own container. To specify is pick which Assam do you want to eat. In front of the machine there is a button. Push the button to get the Assam. The Assam dispenser will stop if we push the button again. The price is depend on the weight, how many do we take. The performs. Look for the button in front of the dispenser. Push the button for take the Assam. Push the button again to stop the process. Fill up according to the size of container. The evaluation is if I can reduce the usage of the plastic and reducing the waste, it means I met the goals. The interpret is which Assam should I pick? How much the cost of the certain size of container? How do I use the Assam dispenser? The perceive is see the machine operating. See types of Assam. See the price of Assam according to the flavor and taste. See the quality of the Assam. And for the principle in this dispenser, the first one is visibility. Visibility is the basic principle that the more visible an element is, the more likely user will know about them and how to use them. For example, how to get the Assam is by pressing the button that is in front of the dispenser. The feedback is if we push the button, the machine will processing and it will create a sound like something will come out from the hole. Affordance is the relationship between what something looks like and how it used.